guys, today's episode will be putting on the exhaust that I painted, that gold exhaust. Let me show you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. That gold exhaust for the Raptor. You know, it's a little dirty because there's one right there. Got an LS over here, spare LS. Let's get it. So let's bring the truck in and install the exhaust. And while we're at it, we're gonna do the undercoating to make it fresh. So stay tuned. She's over there. Let's get it. Hi, baby. Yeah. All right, so we got the truck in here. Hi, guys. Yep. Got the Raptor Skyline. So just gonna put this thing up and start taking it apart. You know, get this thing done. Let's see how she sounds. Gonna get the wife in here. Let's see if she can rev her up so we can hear the stock exhaust, and then we can hear the other exhaust. Let's get it. All right, so since the wife's not here, we're gonna rev her up ourselves. All right, so the truck's on the lift. Now we're gonna take off the exhaust piece by piece, so that, you know, we just take everything and compact everything somewhere else to store it, because the exhaust is pretty wild. It's pretty long, so we gotta compact it somehow, you know. So we're gonna start by removing those bolts up there. Those nuts, there's 2 nuts. And then we're gonna take those tailpipes out. Then we're gonna continue with the first muffler and then our second muffler, which I already sprayed with WD-40 here. And this one, I'm just gonna take one whole, the muffler piece, one whole thing maybe, or we'll see what happens. Let's get it. All right, now that we got the tailpipes out, I think we were a pain in the butt, but we got them out. Trick, just try to bend these down with a screwdriver, you know, to wedge them, to open them up. Now we're gonna be taking off the exhaust from here and then pulling this piece out. Let's get it. We got one mount here and one mount there. That's it. And then those tailpipes had 2 mounts on each. One over here, one right there. Oh, you guys gotta take off the spare tire to have workspace. And look how much workspace we got for the to undercoat. All right, let's get it. All right, so we just covered the nice suspension that we have on here, the shocks. Covered them up so that we don't get overspray on them. I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole entire under bed because this bed is aluminum and doesn't really rust, but I just like it for noise reduction type thing too. So I took off a cover from there that was just hanging there. So I gotta clean that up still. That's why it looks dirty. But everything else been cleaned. So this truck looks brand new. You know, we took our time cleaning this, wiping it down. The wife helped. And yeah, so now we're gonna undercoat it and then put the exhaust on. And let's hear this thing. Let's get it. All right, so I put 5 of these containers on just the actual frame itself because that's how much it took. It is crazy. And we didn't even like cover the whole side where the, you know, fuel tank is, but everything came out fine. Everything looks good down here. Protect the subframe from rusting. You know, I want to put one of those new Raptor R engines in here in the future, so I want to keep this frame looking good. I'm gonna put the exhaust next, you know, and just keep going, guys. Let me show you guys around the truck a little bit more. So this stuff's like top quality stuff. It's like beautiful. It's like Rhino stuff. It feels really good. Rubberized, 100% protected. No more rust on my subframe. The truck itself is aluminum, so that's why I didn't really coat anything else on the bottom. You know, now if I start seeing like a little of this imperfection later on, we're gonna throw that on there. But for now, we should be okay. Now let's just put the exhaust on and keep going, guys. All right, so we're starting with installing this pipe, which is a stock muffler. I don't know why they gave me the stock muffler, but we painted it anyway. So this thing's gonna look so fresh. She's gonna help, right? Let's get it. All right, the exhaust is on. Had to pick up some clamps from AutoZone. Fresh clamps. This one, I don't know, it was a little weird putting this one on, but we got it on. She looks really good. And now we're about to start it up and see how this sounds. How you guys think it's gonna sound? Comment below. First startup.
Do you not have oil on it?
Oh yeah, no. Alright, I put oil in the truck. Forgot I had no oil in it. Wife told me we saved the day, I think. We saved the truck. Luckily I was able to shut it off right away. Now let's do this, try this again. I don't know if it's gonna do it. Oh no, the hood's open, so I'm gonna just have to start it from the inside. So let's get it.
Yep. Sounds good.
with the undercoat and exhaust. There you have it, guys. Roush exhaust on a Ford Raptor 6-cylinder twin turbo. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification so that you can get notifications when I put out videos. So, God bless and stay one world on the cars. Peace.
Very well put.